Okay, so we can factor out a greatest common factor of 8. So I'm left with an a squared plus 4a plus 3. So then I can go ahead and 4 and 3. So my factors are 1 and 3. So this is 8a plus 1 and an a plus 3. So 8a plus 1, a plus 3. And then here I can combine some like terms. And so I'm left with a 6x and a minus 6y. So I have a 6x minus y. So I actually didn't need to do any factor by grouping. So 6x minus y. Okay, so now we're going to do number 5 here. And then that looks again like a diamond method. So we draw our diamond. We have -8, 16, so -4, and -4. So n minus 4, n minus 4, which makes an n minus 4 the quantity squared. Okay, and then 7, I can factor out a 4 to start off with. That leaves me an 8m cubed minus... If I factor out a 4 out of 108, that's 2, 8, 28, so that's 27. So 27n cubed. Now it's going to factor to a difference of cubes. So 4, this is a 2m minus 3n, and then a 4m squared, plus 2m times 3n plus 9n squared. So 4, 2m minus 3n, and then a 4m squared plus 6mn plus 9n squared. And then 9, this will be -4 and 4, so -2 and -2, so k minus 2, k minus 2, so a k minus 2, the quantity squared. Okay, 9, 11, let's see. It seems like a lot. They're both divisible by 3. So 375 divided by 3, 1, 2, 125 m cubed, and then 648 divided by 3 is a 2. And then 1, 3, 216. Okay, so then that's a 6. So then the perfect cube factoring is a 3. Oops. So 3, 5m plus 6n, and then 25m squared plus 5m times 6n plus 36n squared. So 3 times 5m plus 6n, and then 25m squared plus 30mn plus 36n squared. Okay, and then everybody's divisible by 5, so then this is me 4x squared plus 4xy plus y squared. So then this is a bottoms up situation of a 4 here. Oops, I didn't change my thing. 4 and a 4, so that's 2 and 2, so this is 5. And then it is x plus 2 over 4y, x plus 2 over 4y. So then 5, x plus 1/2 y, x plus 1/2 y. So you bring what's in the bottom to the top, in the bottom to the top. So this is 5, 2x plus y, the quantity squared. So 5, 2x plus y, the quantity squared. Okay, 15 is 5x minus 6, 25x squared plus 5x times 6 plus 36. So 5x minus 6, 25x squared plus 30x plus 36. 17 is 8x minus y and 8x plus y. So 8x minus y. 8x plus y. 17, 19. I'm going to factor out a negative, so u cubed minus 216, so negative u minus 6, u squared plus 6u plus 36. So negative u minus 6, and then u squared plus 6u plus 36. Okay, 21. Difference of squares. So 10k minus 9 and a 10k plus 9. Oops. Plus 9. Okay, and then 23. Factor out a 3, so I'm left with 27x cubed plus 1. So then this is 3x plus 1, 9x squared plus 3x plus 1. 25 is, they are both, I could pull a 4 out, so then 4x squared minus 9. So 4 times 2x minus 3 and a 2x plus 3. Okay, 27. Everybody's divisible by 10. So then that would give me a 4x squared plus 36x plus 81. And again, this goes back to that thing I was telling you guys about in the every other even one. This is a 2 and a 2 and a 9 and a 9. So this breaks down actually, and then this gives me an 18, and then this, when I multiply, it gives me an 18. So really, this actually factors to 2 times 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. So I'm all in favor for doing like the x and the bottoms up and blah 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 blah. But in the end, if I know how to factor, with these big perfect squares, then just go ahead and do it for the big perfect squares. Okay. All right, so 54, factors of 54, 1 and 54, 2 and 27, 3 and somebody, 3 and 1, 2, 18. Is that right? Yes. And then 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Nope. Okay. So then that gives me m plus 9 and m minus 6. So then this would have been your 3 would have been on top, negative 54 would have been on the bottom, and then a 9 and a negative 6. So m plus 9 and m minus 6. Okay, so it's 29, 31. Again, they're diamond. Negative 11 on the top, 28 on the bottom, so negative 7 and negative 4. So r minus 7 and r minus 4. Those are really big parentheses. Okay, 33. 6 on the top, 9 on the bottom, 3 and 3. So then this is x squared plus 3 and x squared plus 3, which is x squared plus 3, the quantity squared. 35 looks almost exactly what we just did. Negative 6 on the top, 9 on the bottom, so negative 3 and negative 3. So then this is x squared minus 3, x squared minus 3, so x squared minus 3, the quantity squared. 35, 37. Okay, so you have 22 on the top, and you have 48 times 5, 240 on the bottom. So then factors of 240, 1 and 240, 2 and 120, 3 and 80, 4 and 60, 5 and 48. Yeah. Is that right? 5. That's 20, 40. Yes. 6 and 40, 7, 8 and 30, 9, no, 10 and 24, 12 and 20. I'm trying to make 22. So that's 30, be positive 30 and negative 8. So then r minus 8 over 5, r plus 30 over 5. So then that gives me r minus 8 over 5 and r plus 6. So then I get 5r minus 8 and r plus 6 when I bring what's in the bottom to the top. Okay. 39, negative 7 on the top, negative 60 on the bottom, 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, which is 5 and 12, so negative 12 and positive 5. So then n minus 12 over 20, and then n plus 5 over 20. So then n minus 3 over 5, and then n plus 1 over 4. So in the bottom to the top, in the bottom to the top. So then I get 5n minus 3 and 4n plus 1. So 5n minus 3 and 4n plus 1. Okay, 39, 41. Everybody's divisible by 3. So that's a 6a squared. 57 divided by 3, 1, 3, 21. So 17. Minus 17a and then minus 7. So now my little x guy, negative 17 and a negative 42. So 1 and 42, 2 and 21. 3 and somebody, 14. So the negative 14 and negative, ooh, that's not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. I can't do that because it has to be a negative 42. Okay, so then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, so it's not going to work because there's nothing. This needed to be a positive 21 for it to actually work. So this is 3, so 6a squared minus 17a minus 7. Okay, so I could just factor out our greatest common factor. Length and width, so I have 12 and 35, so then 7 and 5. So then x plus 7 and x plus 5 is your expressions for your length and the width. Okay, and then 45, find the sum. So x squared plus 3x minus 9 plus 4 bx squared minus 6bx plus 1. So x squared plus 3x plus 4bx squared plus minus 6bx minus 8. So x squared plus 3x plus 4bx squared minus 6bx minus 8. So the only thing I could combine was the constant terms. Oh, we get to multiply a 3 by 3. It's been a long time. Okay. 1, maybe not that big. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then, okay, so 8k squared, 3k minus 1. K squared minus k, and then plus 1. So 8k to the 4th, negative 8k cubed, 8k squared. 3k cubed, negative 3k squared, and 3k. Negative k squared, k, and negative 1. So 8k to the 4th minus 5k cubed, 5 minus 1, so plus 4k squared plus 4k minus 1. Okay? And that is it for every odd numbered question.